What's the meaning of abstract expressionist? Abstract expressionist. Abstract expressionist. Abstract expressionist. Abstract expressionist. Abstract expressionist. Abstract expressionism is an art movement that emerged in New York City in the mid-1940s. It is characterized by its use of bold colors, large canvases, and an emphasis on the artist's individual expression. Abstract expressionist paintings are often non-representational, meaning that they do not depict any recognizable objects or figures. Instead, they focus on the use of color, line, and form to create a sense of emotion or atmosphere. Some of the most famous abstract expressionist artists include Jackson Pollock, Willem de Kooning, and Mark Rothko. Here are some of the key characteristics of abstract expressionism. Use of bold colors, large canvases, emphasis on the artist's individual expression, non-representational paintings, focus on the use of color, line, and form to create a sense of emotion or atmosphere. Abstract expressionism was a major force in American art in the mid-20th century, and it continues to be influential today.